Hello. Today, I want to demonstrate my new tool, WorkZone. It is an assortment of helpful daily tools that anyone can use for anything. This is a demo, version 0.6.4, so there isn't much to cover, but hopefully this video is helpful to someone. This program can be used for studying, keeping your classroom full of student-focused, or it can be used to work, or be creative with the Canvas tool. We'll start with the Work Screen tool. We can use these buttons to use some features that allow us to customize our screen to our needs. We'll change the background to something else. Also, I don't know why it's flickering. It wasn't like that in person. I'll try my best to cut out the flickering with the magic of video editing. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Let's add some emojis to stylize our screen. We can move this around and make it bigger, or smaller, or whatever we'd like. I don't know why I picked this one, but you get the idea. You can even stack some emojis to make your own. Let's add a timer. Let's hear it. Yep, that's loud enough to get someone's attention. Let's listen to some relaxing music to keep us focused. I don't really like this one. Luckily we have 8 more to choose from. Let's listen to this one. This tool is a poll. Others can pick an option, 1, 2 or 3, and the user can change the votes using the buttons. This one is unfinished, but it will get done soon. Alright, let's move on to the canvas. Let's select the pencil and try it out. And I'll click this trash can down here to delete everything. We can use the paint bucket to splat a color onto the canvas. The eraser deletes any color on the canvas. We can use the square to, well, draw a perfect square, or rectangle. The ruler helps us draw straight lines with the pencil. The spray paint lets us spray these little particles all over. Perhaps my favorite feature is this. You can drag these numbered dots to draw perfect lines instantly. Let me make an example of what I can do with this. When I click this, it draws lines. Perfect. When I'm not in that menu, the dots are hidden. We can add up to 20 of them. Let's see what happens. That's weird looking. Let me draw something real quick. Alright, now let's do some graphing in the graphing tool. Yep, as it says there, one of the features are a prototype. It's not anything important, or useful, anyway, so I might just get rid of it entirely in newer versions. But for right now, we can graph dots, and make colorful lines, and do other stuff. We can hold the Control key or Shift to do other things, like make the lines more precise on the graph. I'm gonna make an example of a graph so I can demonstrate the line of best fit function. Oof. Yeah, this is why I said I might get rid of the line of best fit button. It does stuff like this and is completely inaccurate sometimes. There we go, now it's close enough. We can move on to the line graphing, which is like your typical velocity over time type graph, or the height of a flower after 3 months, and that sort of stuff. so we can graph data, one plotted dot at a time. We can also change the labels for the x and y axes. What do you think this graph represents? Tell me what you think. Alrighty, I think that's all I have to show you. I highly recommend this tool for teachers, students, or anyone. You can use one tool, you can use all three, I don't care. As long as you use WorkZone, I'm happy. Thanks so much for watching. I'll try my best to release updates on a regular. I'll keep you guys posted.